Okay students, let us move to the next question of SSC JEE. 21st question. This question is asked in 4/3/2017 forenoon. The question will be flashed for you in your mobile screen or laptop screen. I will read out the question and say the logic. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. And the series is as follows: raindrop, operate, teakwood and odometer. And the options are erasers, laser, odor and soar. You can take your time and try to solve and pause the video and try to solve it. I am going to reveal the logic now. Raindrop, the last two letters of raindrop is OP. The last two letters is the first two letters of the next word. That's the logic here. And if you see each and every word in this series, obviously you will find for raindrop OP, next operate OP will come as first, and it will end with TE, and that TE will start as teakwood, and OD will start as odometer, and that ER in odometer, the next thing will be eraser. This is the logic here. So the option here is answer A. Select the odd word or letter or number word, number pair from the given alternatives. This question is asked in SSC JEE 4/3/17 forenoon. The options are display, splash, splurge. We have to check which one is the odd one here. And if you closely look at each and every option, if you check for the meaning and difference or something like that, you can find the answer. And obviously you can see that as for displays PLA comes, for display also PLA comes, for splash PLA comes, for splurge alone PLU comes. So that's the difference. So the answer option here is option D. Splurge is the odd man out here. The next question. Select the word, letter, word, number pair from the given alternatives. Each and every question is being repeated as the same thing here. Even in the same set of question paper, this question comes 4/3/17 forenoon. The logic is changed here. You can solve it easily anyway. Let us see the answer options. Aeroplane and helicopter, car and aeroplane, helicopter and bus, scooter and aeroplane. Look at the answer options carefully. In each and every option, there is a mode of transport in road and air mode of transport. But in the first option alone, the mode of transport is only flyers. The both of things are flyers. Both travels in air. So that is the option. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 24, which is asked in SSC JEE 4/3/17 forenoon. And the question is repeated here already. Select the word, odd word, letter, number, word pair, number pair from the given alternatives. And the options here are birds and bees, cat and mouse, boys and girls, frogs and toads. Generally you have to know the meaning of toad, because most people know what is a frog. Some of the people doesn't know the meaning of a toad. So toad is also a kind of frog. Toad is also a kind of frog. Like it belongs to frog family. Like how these cats belong to the tiger family, toads belong to the frog family. And there are few logics for this question. If you solve in any of the logic, you are going to get one answer as the same thing. But in sometimes they can provide only one logic. But in this question, three logics are there. I will say the logics. The answer option here is boys and girls. Why boys and girls is the answer option? Because boys and girls is the only human option provided of the above options. The other things are like they are animals and insects are there. There is no human options, and that may be the reason. The second reason for selecting boys and girls as the answer, because of the predator and prey. The remaining option, there is a predator and there is a prey. Consider birds and bees. Birds eat bees. birds is the predator, bees are the prey. Like same way in cat and mouse, cat eats the mouse. Frogs and toads. Generally, frogs will be a size bigger than the toads, so sometimes frogs eat toads also. And the other logic for this question is the only option in which they have provided gender difference is the third option, boys and girls. In other options they have provided the other differences, but in the third option alone they have provided the gender difference, which is boys and girls. Okay guys, let's move on to the 25th question of SSC JEE 4/3/2017 forenoon batch. I will read out the question. Selected related word, letters, numbers from the given alternatives. And the alternatives are globes, bestow, dared. Globes is to bear. Globes is to bestow. Dared is to what? Is the question obviously asked here. And let us look at the options below. Redden, option A, option B, red dogs, option C, best, option D, beset. And look at the options carefully. You can try to solve the question, but now I will say the logic now. Globes and bestow. The last three letters of the first word is the first three letters of the next word. If you want, you can replay the thing I have said before. The last three letters of the first word is the first three letters of the next word. Is the logic here. For globes, BES is the last three letters, and for bestow, BES is the first three letters. Okay, next one is dared is to what? The last three letters of dared is RED. So the logic must be the answer option which contains RED as the first three letters must be the answer. And if you look out carefully, you will find two options following the same trend, redden and red dogs. And I have already mentioned you about this before in the before question. You have to check out the overall logic for the verbal analogy questions. The overall logic is dared has 5 alphabets. Dared has 5 alphabets. So redden and red dogs both comes with red in the starting. Check, the correct answer has only 5 alphabets. So the correct answer is obviously red dogs. Red dogs is the correct thing. Let us move on to the 26th question. Select the related word, letters, number from the given alternatives. Male, lamella. Male is to lamella. Dare is to what? Is the question is given here. And let me read the answer options here. Redder, rare, reader and dreaded. Okay guys, now you have to see which option matches the given thing. Male is to lamella. Initially you have to find the logic between the first two set of words. Male is to lamella. How male is to lamella is related. Male has 4. Generally, I'm sorry. Let us see the next number of count in next. Next, the first thing you have to note is lamella contains male in it. Like that, check the option which contains dare in it. Obviously, you can find for reader it has dare in it. For dreaded it has dare in it. Both the option contain dare in it. You have to check now which option comes the correct one. And now you have to go for the, I have said that before, the overall logic thing. The male is to lamella thing, 4:7 is the ratio. Male has 4 alphabets, lamella has 7 alphabets. So here dare has 4 alphabets. Choose the option which contains the alphabets of dare at the same time having 7 number of alphabets. So dreaded is the correct answer, obviously. Let us move to the next question, 27th question. It is asked in SSC JEE 4/3/2017 forenoon batch. Let me read out the question first. Select the related word, letters, number from the given alternatives. And the series is sitting is to duck. And I will read out the options next. Happy is to laugh, feeling is to blue, running is to shoe, bird is to egg. You can pause the videos, guys. This question is a bit different from every analogy question you have seen before. The logic for this question changes a bit, not to a larger extent, but slightly it varies. You can try to solve this question. If you can solve this question, obviously you can solve this type of question easily in the exams. So now I am going to say the answer. Sitting is to duck. Generally, once again, that's the same logic I am saying from first itself. Sitting is to duck means the number of alphabets in sitting is 7 and the number of alphabets in duck is 4. It is in the ratio of 7:4. So check the answer option which has the same ratio 7:4. And obviously the answer will be feeling is to blue. That only contains 7:4 ratio. The next question, 28th question, which is asked in SSC JEE 4/3/17 forenoon batch. Let me read out the question first. Select the related word or letters or numbers from the given alternatives. Act is to action. Clear is to what? Is the question here. Let me read out the answer options. Option A, clarity. Option B, clean. Option C, clearly. Option D, cleanly. These are the answer options here. And let us check the relation between act and action. If we can find out that easily, we can obviously find out the answer options for clear and the pair of clear also. And if you look at clearly, if you trying to count the number of letters things, you are not going to get. If you are trying to check the meaning things, you are not going to get the answer. And the thing here is, it depends upon the parts of speech. And many people might be still wondering, and you might have forgot about the concept which have been taught in your school days, and some regional medium students like Telugu medium students doesn't know parts of speech, I guess, and for that reason, however I am going to teach the parts of speech concept. It has some 8 concept. It is a very easy concept and I will teach. And let us look at this question. This question is also dependent upon the parts of speech concept. For act to action, act is a verb and action is a noun. That is the relation between these two, and you have to check the verb and noun pair. Clear is to the word which contains noun of the given options is the answer, and obviously the answer is clarity. Clarity is the noun form of the verb clear. Okay guys, let's move on to the next question. Question number 28. Select the related words, letters or numbers from the given alternatives. Cost is to effect. Crime is to what? Is the question given below. This question is asked in 4/3/2017 afternoon batch. The first one is punishment. Second option criminal. Third option justice. Fourth option unfair. Cause and effect. Crime is to what? Is the question. Cause and effect. If you look at the logic and relation between cause and effect, if a thing happens now, a thing happening in the future will be due to the thing happened in the first. It's like I'll just say you an example for a cause and effect. I went to school late. So my teacher punished me. Is the answer, is the example here. So this word, I went to school late, so the teacher punished me. Teacher punishing me is the effect here. Why the teacher punished me? The teacher punished me. Obviously, teacher is not going to punish you for simply. Obviously, the teacher is not going to punish you for even if you don't do any mistakes. She is not going to punish you. You would have done something. The thing you have done is you went to the school late. This is the cause here. So since you went to school late, the teacher punished you. It is the cause here, it is the effect here. So this is the relation between cause and effect. One thing has happened initially, so as a result of that, you got some thing there, and that is called effect. So criminal is to what? What is the effect of criminal? Generally, everybody is not a criminal when he is born. He might have done some mistake. For that, he had become a criminal. So if he is a criminal, he will get what? He will get punishment. So that is the answer option here. Let us go to the 38th question. 30th question. 30. Which of the following words follow the trend of the given list? The options are vertex, affix, unix, waxy, extra. Let me read out the answer option. Annex, X-ray, apex and axial. Can you guess it? Yeah, obviously most of you people have already guessed the answer option. The logic behind this one is the position of X moves to one position to the left side. In vertex it is in 6th, in affix 5th, in unix 4th, waxy 3rd, extra 2nd. So you have to select the option in such a way that the X comes first. In the given options below, for X-ray alone, the X comes first. So obviously it must be the correct answer. Okay students, let's move on to the next question from SSC JEE. Question number 31. SSC JEE 3317 afternoon session. And the question is, in the given series, one word, one term, one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. And the series is Paul, jaw, spine, grip. Gripped is the question. I will read out the options one by one. Option A, scurries. Option B, centuries. Option C, ancient. Option D, quasi. And you can pause the video and try to solve the question. Now I am going to give you the logic between this question. In the series, each and every word, after each and every word, number of letters in the word has been increasing. In the first word Paul, 3 number of words. In the second word JOWL, 4 number of words. For spine 5, for gripped 6. So obviously the answer options must contain the word 7-letter word. So in the given option, the 7-letter word is only ancient. So it must be the answer. Let's move on to the 32nd question of SSC JEE 3/3/2017 afternoon batch. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. And the series is crazy, zygote, teapot, other. I will read out the options one by one. Option A, time pass. Option B, errand. Option C, roads. Option D, elephant. And this question follows the pattern of the questions we have solved previously, and most of you people have already guessed the answer option correctly, and the answer option is option B, errand. Now I am going to reveal you the logic. For crazy, the last 2 letters is ZY, and for zygote, the first 2 letters is ZY. Yes, you have guessed the logic correctly. The last 2 letters of the first word is the first 2 letters of the next word. That's the logic. For zygote, ZY follows from crazy, and for teapot follows from zygote, and for other follows from teapot, and the other ends with the 2 letters ER. So therefore the answer options must contain the first 2 letters as E and R. So the answer option is obviously errand. For solving this type of question, generally you don't need to know the meaning of each and every question. Generally SSC JEE doesn't expect this from you. You have There are some questions, yeah, there are some questions, upcoming questions, and some two to three questions was obviously they were asking the meanings and opposites also. But most of the questions will follow the analogy. You have to use your thinking ability. At the same time, you have to know some general English concept which you have read in your childhood. I will read out the 33rd question of SSC JE 3/3/2017 afternoon batch. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the current alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. Is the question here, and let us read out the options now. Buzzwords, let us read at the series now. Buzzwords, preacher, bonanza and credit is the series here, and let us now watch out for the answer options. Slam is the first option here, and the second option here is honey. The second option is honey, third option mole, and the fourth option peace. When we look at this question closely, the number of letters is been reducing from buzzword. When starting from buzzword, when it comes to credit, single letter is been reduced, and obviously that is the logic which we have seen in previous questions also, and this question the logic is the same. Number of letters in the word is being reduced, and after credit 5-letter word, there must be a 5-letter word, and honey is the 5-letter word. So honey is the answer. Let us move on to the 34th question. Select the other odd word or letter or number or word or pair or number pair from the given alternatives. And this question is a bit different. You must not think about the number of letters or that stuff. Leave that stuff. When approaching each and every questions, you must not think that this question must follow the same pattern from the before thing. Each and every question, obviously each and every question there will be a different pattern, and you have to guess the pattern by looking at the question within 10 seconds. Because time constraint, there is a heavy time constraint in competitive examinations. So let us read this question and find out the logic. And while reading the question, I can find that the logic is changing here. Select the odd words. I already read the question. I will read the options now. Option A, bungalow and willow. Option B, office and shop. Option C, house and apartment. Option D, house and villa. The options are provided here. When you look out the options carefully, except, and I will say the answer now. You can try to guess the answer also. I can't say for each and every question you have to pause the video and guess the option answers. If you pause the video and guess the answer options before me, you are talented. You can solve these questions easily also. So you can try for each and every questions in that method. So for this question also you can try in that manner. And the answer is office and shop. Why office and shop might be the answer? This is the answer because you can look out closely that except office and shop, all the other options are only office and shop is the working place, and all the other options are not working place. They are like residence and living place. So office and shop will be the answer, obviously. Let's move on to the 35th question. Select the odd word or numbers or letters or word pairs or number pair from the given alternatives. This is a question of SSC JE 3/3/2017 afternoon. The series is, this is not a series. You have to select the odd word. The options are tea and coffee. Option B, bread and butter. Option C, cup and saucer. Option D, wine and cheese. Wine and cheese. Look out the options initially. If you read out the options, it is clearly visible that except the answer option, that is the answer also, except the option C, cup and saucer, all the other things are edible things. Cup and saucer alone is not an edible thing, it's a material. So that is the clue and that is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 36. Select the odd word or letters or numbers or word pairs or number pairs from the given alternatives. Option A, violet. Option B, indigo. Option C, white. Option D, blue. This question is a good question. It's also an easy question. If you look out to solve this question, it's like a thing we have learned in our school small age, which is called VGR. VGR. Because the options also can be changed and give. So only I am writing this thing in the board. VGR. VGR means everybody knows this. What do you mean by VGR? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are rainbow colors. Rainbow colors. So obviously remember this this order. This need not to be in the concerned order also. To remember this colors easily, we are following this trend called VGR, and it is rainbow color. In the given answer options, except white, all the other colors are rainbow colors. So that's the clue here. The color which is not a rainbow color is the answer option. So white is not a rainbow color. Is there white? No. Yeah. Let us move on to the next question. Select the related word or letter or number from the given alternative. This is asked in SSC JEE 3317 afternoon batch. The series is thin is to 9th, whole is to what? Thin is to 9, whole is to what? Is the answer options here. If you look at this question, if you think like the last two letters of thin is IN, the first two letters of 9th is NI, it is following a trend like that. But if you check for the trend, obviously most of the people will try that. Trying is not a bad thing. You can try that obviously. But if you try that, you are not going to get the answer. I am going to reveal the answer now. The number of letters is a clue here. In thin there are 4 number of letters. In 9th there is 5 number of letters. So it is in the logic 4:5. So for whole you have to find a word which has 5 number of letters, which is hello. The correct option is B, hello. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 38. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. This question is asked in SSC JEE 33-2017 afternoon batch. Dawn is to dusk. Dawn is to dusk is the question. Then I will read out the options now. Then is to now. Late is to never. Summer is to winter. North is to south. So, which is the correct option here? If you think dawn is to dusk. Dawn. First, we have to know what is the meaning of dawn and dusk. Dawn is a period of time in a day. Dawn means morning time. It is called as dawn. And dusk means the time when sun sets. This time is sun rising time. This time is sun setting time. So this is called dawn and dusk. So if you think these things are opposite to each other, you can find many things as opposite to each other. Then and now are opposite to each other. Summer and winter are also opposite to each other. And obviously north and south are also opposite to each other. So this logic has been failed here. So what may be the logic here? And if you see, the logic here is dawn and dusk. It is a difference of period in a particular day. So you have to see the difference of something in a particular time period. It is based on time period. So when you look at this, the option C has the logic. Summer is to winter. These are seasons in a year. So dawn and dusk is a difference in time period in a particular day. Summer to winter is difference in season in a particular year. So option C is the answer. Let's move on to the 40th question of SSC JEE 3317 afternoon batch. Select the related word, letters or numbers from the given alternatives is the question here. Cactus is to thorns. Sheep is to what is the question. And I will read out the answer options here again. Option A, meat. Option B, wool. Option C, milk. Option D, grass. What is the answer options you can think? You will obviously think that if you cut a cactus plant, you get thorns from that. Thorns means that sharp things which is placed in the skin of the cactus plant. So if you cut sheep, you think from sheep you can get meat, from sheep you can get milk, from sheep you can get wool. Three options can be followed by each other. You are thinking that which will be the correct answer, sir. You can obviously try to guess the answer. If three things are following the logic, obviously that is not the logic. So you have to think in a different way. And the logic here is, I am going to say the logic now. The skin of a cactus plant contains thorns. What does a skin of a sheep contains? Can you guess it? Obviously, that's right. The skin of a cactus plant contains wool. Wool is extracted from the skin of sheep. So, the answer option is B, wool. Let us move on to the 41st question. It is asked in SSC JEE 3/3/2017 afternoon batch. Let us read out the answer options. Let us read out the series first. Branch is to plant. Limb is to what? It is the question here. The answer options are dog, walk, hand, animal. So if you find some questions difficult like this, you have to frame a sentence to make it easy, which I have already taught in the verbal analogy session which is conducted before. So we have to form a sentence for the question first. Branch is to plant. How can you form a sentence with that? The sentence is plant or trees. Obviously plant, when a plant grows it has trees. So plant has branches. In the same way animal has, what does animal have? Limbs. So animal is the option here. Limb will be had by an animal. So animal is the option here. You must not think that limb means it is a bone. So we might have a hand as the option. And obviously most of the people think that branch is to plant. Why can't we take limb is to dog? Because dogs also has limbs. Yeah, I will clear a doubt here. Actually, they did not mention a particular variety of a plant here. If you think, if they have mentioned sunflower is to branches, you can obviously say the correct answer is limb is to dogs. But they have given the question in generalized pattern. Plants is to branches. So limbs must come with animals only, not dogs. Dog is a kind of animal. Okay, can you understand that? Let us move on to the next question. Question number 42. This question is asked in SSC JEE. Which of the following words follow the trend of the given word list? Oasis, noise, drone, alert and dash. This is the series here. I am going to read the answer options below. Audio, Oman, Roots and Oxford. These are the options. You can pause the video and obviously check the answer options by yourself. And however, I am going to reveal the logic here. The logic here is simple. We have seen many questions previously before like this, and the answer options for this will be like in Oasis, O is in first place, noise second place, drone third place, alert fourth place. The alphabet O is moving from first place to each step in the right side. So the last option must contain O in the 5th place, because in the previous option allot O is contained in the 4th place. So what will be the answer? Most of the people might have guessed it already. Answer is, you are correct, audio is the answer. Let us move on to the 43rd question. Okay students, let's move on to the next question. The question number 43. This question is asked in SSC JEE 3/3/2017 4-note session. Let me read out the question first. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative form from the given ones that will complete the series. I will read out the series here. Run, time, fever, finale, samurai is the series. And the options here are shout, option A, option B, root, option C, poverty, option D, transmit. These are the options given here, and we have to check which is the option is right. And if you look at the analogy of the series initially in the front, you can find that each and every word, the number of letters is been increasing, starting from run to samurai. For run it is 3, for samurai it is 7. So the next word must contain 8 number of letters. Find an option which contains 8 number of words is the answer, and the answer is transmit. Let's move on to the 44th question. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. Chinnabar, barcode, decibel, elastic. There is a series here. This question is asked in SSC JEE 3/3/2017 4-noon batch. Chinnabar. You can't think about the number of letters here, because each and every option has a equal number of words as well as the question. So let's read out the options also initially. Option A, denote, option B, hunter, option C, transmit, option D, iceberg. And I am saying the option is iceberg here, and you can try to guess the logic, and I will reveal the logic right now. For Chinnabar, the last 3 letters is bar, B-A-R. For barcode, the first 3 letters is B-A-R. So the number of last 3 letters in the first word equal to number of first 3 letters in the next word, but it changes for the upcoming things. Here the first thing alone, Chinnabar, write it because this thing is a little bit complicated. Chinnabar, barcode, decibel, elastic. Answer options: denote, hunter, transmit, iceberg. See the options here. The last 3 letters of the first word is the first 3 letters of the next word. But when we compare the next 3 letters, it is like for DE only comes here in the next one. So in the next one for decibel, EL comes for elastic. So the thing IC only comes for in the option. So obviously the only option starting with IC is iceberg. This is the correct option here. Let's move on to the 45th question of SSC JEE. This question is asked in 3/3/2017 4-noon session. Let me read out the question. In the given series, one word or one term or one number is missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. This question is asked in 3/3/2017 4-noon session. The options are Russell, artisan, saline and terrain. This is the series, and the options are ornate, assault, starlet and national. You look at the series correctly. And obviously I think most of the people will not solve this correctly because it is a bit different comparing to the other things. Let me explain about it. Russell, artisan, align and terrain. Options are ornate, assault, starlet and national. So look out this series correctly. Can you find anything logical? If you think of R, first one R, second one is R, the third one it is missing. So that logic is missed here. You can check out each and every letter also. You can't find that logic. If you count the number of letters also, it goes 6, 7, 6. But if you stop there, you are going to get the wrong answer because the logic here is a little bit different. 6, 7, 6, 7, and obviously what number of letters when the next word comes here? It must come with a number of letters as 6 because 6, 7, 6, 7 and 6 must come. So obviously the answer option will be ornate 6. Okay guys, let's move on to the 46th question of SSC JEE. Select the odd word or letters or numbers or words or pairs or number from the given alternatives. Option A, kiwi and lychee. Option B, potato and radish. Option C, apricot and coconut. Option D, lychee and apricot. If you look at the answer options clearly, you can find that I am going to say the answer now as well as the logic here. Except the option B, potato and radish, every other option is a type of a fruit. Potato and radish alone is a vegetable. So it is an odd thing provided there. So let us move on to the 47th question of SSC JEE. Select the odd word or letters or numbers or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. First one, bride and groom. Second one, Jack and Jill. Third one, Adam and Eve. Fourth one, husband and wife. Let me explain this question in board to give a clear explanation. The options are bride and groom, Jack and Jill, Adam and Eve, husband and wife. I guess most of you people can't find this answer because this type of answer options we did not see initially. So we have to find the logic between the words. If we find the logic as all pair, husband and wife are pair, or Adam and Eve are pair, Jack and Jill are pair, and even bride and groom are also pair. But what will be the answer? I am saying that the answer option will be A. Can you guys guess it? Why the answer option is A? You can take a time and guess that, but now I am going to reveal the answer. Why bride and groom? Because look at each and every option. Husband and wife, they are already pairs, Adam and Eve. Obviously, I think most of you people know about the story of Adam and Eve, so they are also pair. Jack and Jill, it is a small rhymes in our school stages. It is a nursery rhyme, I think. So Jack and Jill are also a pair. Bride and groom, they are also a pair. But why bride and groom is the answer? Bride and groom are going to become the future pair. Now they are going to get married, but they are not already married. So they are the future pair. So bride and groom is the answer here. Okay guys, let's move on to the next question. Question number 48. This question is asked in SSC JE 3/3/2017 4-noon session. Select the odd word or letter or number or word pair or number pair from the given alternatives. Option A centigrade, option B calorie, option C Fahrenheit, option D Kelvin. What will be the odd word here from the given options on your screen? If you think centigrade, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, all the things denotes the temperature. It denotes the temperature of the area or room or a particular place. But calories alone denotes the other value. It's a value denoting about the food. What is the calorie of an apple? What's the calorie of Pepsi? Calorie denotes about the food, but all other options denotes about the temperature of the other things. Okay students, let's move on to the 49th question. It is asked in SSC JE 3/3/2017. I'll read out the question. Select the related word, letters or number from the given alternatives. Night is to thin. Shape is to what? Is the question here. Piece, cube, hole and coil. Night is to thin. Look at the last two letters. The last two letters are first two letters of the second word. So for shape, P is the ending. So you have to select a word which starts with P. So obviously P-A-S, peace is the answer option. And now we are going to the 50th question. Select the related word or letters or number from the given alternatives. This question is asked in SSC JE 3/3/2017 4-noon session. Insane is to intelligent. I am reading it again. Insane is to intelligent. So what is the answer? The answer options are: loud is to sonorous, important is to chief, soar is to descent, race is to jog. So before knowing this options, we have to know the meanings and opposites at the same time to solve this question. Insane is to intelligent. What is insane? Insane means it is a condition in which people are mentally ill, thinking about something or doing the things, wrong things. You would have seen in movies, people would ask, are you insane? Like that. Insane means mentally ill. So mentally ill is to intelligent, a person who is intelligent. So these insane and intelligence are opposite. The relation between insane and intelligence they are the opposite words to each other. Let's read out the answer options. So the answer option which contain the opposite words are the answer for this question. Option A, loud is to sonorous. What do you mean by sonorous? Sonorous means deep voice. Loud is to deep voice. Is this opposite words? No, it generally is of like a same meaning only. Next one is important is to chief. Would you get it? Important is to chief. Chief is an important person, so they are not opposite words. It describes the importance of chief, so it is not the option. The third one is soar is to descend. The fourth, let's reserve this option because most of us people don't know the meaning of both the words. So these things may be the answer, may not be the answer. You have to know the meaning. So the next one is race is to jog. Race is to jog. Is this words opposite to each other? No, generally they are not opposite to each other because in the race as well as in jog, you are moving from one place to each other. Most people might think that in race we will run faster, in jogging we will run slower. So obviously it may be the answer, but we have to know the closest answer. We have to select the closest answer. That is the thing to note down here. Soar, let's go for the reserved option. Soar means rise. Descend means fall. Rise is to fall. Is this word opposite each other? Obviously, that's the right answer. Rise is to fall is the right answer for the 50th question. Okay students, thank you.